Okay, guys, everyone's talking about Bitcoin. I'm going to start off with that, but let's hit the ground running. It is Wednesday, hump day, and it is November 29, 2017, and the market's in the day. Mix. If you look here, mix. But NASDAQ took a nasty spill. That is a big-time sell. Crude oil or financials up as much as the NASDAQ was down. And here we have crude oil down almost a full percent, gold lower, silver lower. I mean, that thing has not been doing well at all. VIX higher by 6.7%, but Bitcoin up 3.56%. Today, it rallied past 11,000. What makes that huge is people didn't think we'd hit 10,000 until sometime in the first of the year. And people were hopeful to see that. I mean, what was it, 3 months ago? We were just a fraction of this price. I mean, I think you could have bought this 3 months ago like 3,000, 3,500. Look where it's at now. It's incredible gains. Here's the bottom line. I'm doing, oh boy, okay, I'll leave a link in the comments, okay, or not the comments, in the description. So I'll put a link there. You can check it out yourself. I'm not going to talk about it right now, but it's something I'm doing. I'll let my whole Grok team know about it today, in my closest of people that I'm connected with in the investment world. And they are, they're all fully aware of this. The link's just yours if you want to check it out. It's something that I'm doing personally. It's not something I recommend to anybody else. But anyway, the long and short of it is you buy packages that are wrapped up for Bitcoin. It's a Bitcoin package, and you can invest as much as you want to. And after you get a 40% gain after 5.5 months. So virtually every 6 months, you make your 40%, 80% in a year. That has my attention. The only reason I was turned on to this was because I have a buddy making a bloody killing with this company. And when I say that, I do not say that lightly. He's pulling in 8 Bitcoin a day. 8 is what he's making off the profits coming in. It's significant. 8 a day, and we're at 11,000. We're at 10,000. It's very significant. But there it is. I will talk later about that and in more detail. But if you just want to jumpstart and just a look at it, feel free to do that. All right, here's the deal. Here's the deal, Spider. If we go to the Spider, we popped up yesterday, a nice pop, went boom, higher, nice. Today we kind of stalled out, like, all right, let's take a breather here after that pop. The diamonds, all-time record territory, were higher. NASDAQ, though, big sell call today, bam, to the downside. Not good. We do have some support, but it closed over the 20-day moving average on big volume, so I did put a sell on NASDAQ. But the small caps, Russell's 2000, broke resistance yesterday. Today, we doji out over the top. I think we'll stay above this blue line. Financials, yesterday had a big pop. Boom, remember that bear flag? Well, the bear flag never did break down, so that's gone, and we went pop, and then boom, again, breaking all sorts of resistance. We're good with that. US dollar is in trouble. Down, bear flag, looked as short US dollar. Crude oil did drop the last few days. I'm not going to put a sell on it yet because we're above a trend line. I'm good with that. Actually, I'm going to tweak that trend line. Tweak that dude right there. And I think that's going to be a better trend line. Yep, that's perfect. So we're still above that trend line, so I'm good with my long call, but problem is we didn't hit resistance, so it's relatively weaker. Because of that, I think that we are certainly in trouble here on crude oil. So be watching that. Gold was up, but now it's down. I'm not going to call it sell until we break that line. If we break that line, I got to call it a sell. We've been all over the place. I think cryptocurrency is hurting gold and silver. I think that the gold bugs out there, silver, there's a lot of people fleeing, going to that, and I think it's in competition with one another is what it looks like technically. A lot of you guys can speak to that with more detail, I'm sure. Silver, yesterday had this big breakdown. When that broke down, we had to put a sell on it, and then today, a huge follow through to the downside. Be interesting to see what happens there. VIX, up. I got to put a buy on the VIX now. I had a sell on it. We got to put a buy now on the VIX. So there it is. There it is in the comments or in the description. I'll put a link. Check it out if you want to. But more information on that later. And yeah, I let my whole team know about that. My whole Grok team knows about it right now, and all my closest of investment in the investment world, but I might have said that already. But here's the deal. That is where we're at here in the market. Stay close because fear is increasing. Things might be looking a little toppy here. We've got to hold these levels going into the next few days. It's very important. Take care. We'll catch you guys later.